Saya kira itu sudah. Ternyata itu lagi.
Hello everybody, welcome back to BD channel. Same with the title in this video, I continue talking about this device, this electronic video protection device from GE Multidin with a type MIF2. And in this video, especially I'm talking about power supply pin input. I will give you example how to connect wire to power supply. If you see on your window, first I must explain to you about this device first, about power supply, because there are two category input power supply. First category is low input voltage power supply. A second category is a high voltage input power supply. I must talking it first because it's very important. If you buying new device, you can see what input voltage category, low or high. You can see in the power specification in this table. Like this device, there are words 110 until 250 volts DC, 10 watt consumption power, and you can AC voltage for power supply with range voltage 110 until 230 volts with 10 volt ampere, and this device use 15 or 16 hertz frequency. You can see what power supply input category in this model. If you see word HI is code for this device use power supply high category, and if you buy this device from first user or second user and you don't see this sticker label and you not understand what the specification input power supply, I have a trick for that. You can starting connect this input voltage with low voltage input for power supply. You can start with a 24 until 48 DC power supply. You connect pin A1 in a positive, you connect pin A2 with a negative power supply. If this device not starting properly, you can next step for use high input power supply. You can use 110 voltage DC or AC, alternating current or direct current. So this time I will show you how to connect this pin A1 and A2 in my video now, because I have not a DC power supply and this chip and this type use a high input power supply. So I use 220 volt for power supply. I have two wires here with a single limiter. I connect this wire, fast line in pin 1. And line neutral to pin 2. You see, like here, and I connect this socket in AC terminal. You see, it's starting properly. If you have this device and still in circuit breaker panel, this wiring is just simple like that from source power supply to this device. This wire typical like this. Wire must connect with a limiter or miniature circuit breaker for safety device. So I repeat my words in this video. If you buy this device new condition, you must read manual specification, what category input power supply, and if you buying this device from first user or second user or some user and you don't have what specification input power supply, you can see in the sticker label here. You see in this table and this model. But if you not see this specification in sticker label, I give you a trick. Same with my word in first session. You must starting with lower voltage input, because if you give a high voltage input in the device with low voltage input supply, this device will be broken. So that's my trick for this device. I will see you again in the next video with another discussion about another pin in here. I hope you stay on my channel. You can click subscribe and you can like this video. See you again in the next video. Thank you very much and goodbye.